Texwipe cleanroom swabs are manufactured with a complete thermal bond, eliminating adhesive contamination. These swabs are manufactured using a high-precision automated process, resulting in swabs constructed to exact and consistent tolerances. And these swabs are also lot-coded for traceability and quality control. This video features the TX761 swab from ITW Texwipe, which is the leader in cleanroom consumables. As one of the largest distributors in the United States, SOS would like to explain why this particular Texwipe product is your best choice for technical or general cleaning where lint or particles cause a problem. This alpha swab is made from the cleanest 100% polyester knit materials. The complete thermal bond construction eliminates adhesive contamination. Cleanroom manufactured, made to exacting and consistent tolerances using high-precision automated processes. This product is packaged in a silicone and amide-free bag. Applications include the following: precision spot cleaning of grooves, tracks, slots, and other small spaces. Applying and removing lubricants, adhesives, and other solutions in a critical clean environment, and also can be used with solvents such as IPA alcohol. Another very popular application is printer head cleaning. These swabs are bagged and sold per 100 swabs. SOS offers discounts for case quantity purchases online. A case consists of 10 bags of 100 swabs. Whether a bag or case, these swabs typically ship the same day of order from SOS out of our Dallas, Texas warehouse. The TX761 Alpha Polyester Cleanroom Swab with long handle, features and benefits. Thank you for viewing this product spotlight. SOS serves the pharmaceutical, electronic, semiconductor, and healthcare industries.